Hello, my name is Vlad. In this video, I want to share with you my typography manage system. So you can easily create, update, and manage your typography styles in your next project. Okay, let's open Figma. This is my foundation file, which I do update. I will share it and translate it on English. So, to create your first typography system, you need to create your first typography primitives collection. In this collection, you need to create font family, font weight, font size, and line height. In this video, we can do it like for the first time, and you will see how you can do it by yourself. Okay, after you create these variables, you need to create your local styles for typography and for your font styles which you will use in your product. So let's create first collection. I usually call it typography primitives or typo. Um, And here we can create our first token like font family, FF, font family. Here we need to write value. The same that you have like here in this in your font list. So it will link with this font. I usually use Inter. You can use your font for your next project, so it will be linked. Inter, okay. Um, Font family, and we need to create it like for headings. Next one, I usually create a second font family for my body typo. Okay, so we can duplicate. It's for body, and okay, let it be inter. It's the same. So maybe, just maybe, you need like your third font family, but I'm not sure. Sometimes I create different typo for like if you have like monospace for code components or something, or you want to separate your body and label font families. Sometimes you can do it. It's like maybe like San Francisco. Sometimes you want to use Pro or Pro Display. Sometimes you want to use compact or I don't know or mono. So you can add this font family here. So we have our font families, and then we can create our string or number variables for font weight. So usually you create string because it's easier for manage in Figma, but mostly all fonts can use numbers. So better create numbers for your regular. It's mostly 400. This I forgot. Font like this. Font weight. Okay. Okay. Font weight regular 400. You can check your font. Sorry. Font weight in numbers. So here you can check what font weight linked to which number, so you can easily manage it. The more numbers, the more bold your font will be. Okay. So here we use our regular and duplicate it for bold font weight. It's usually 700. So this variables depends for your project. So it's not it can be not like the same what is the font regular. You can use your regular with font medium or font semi bold. I tried to use this name for my most used body text, so you can use it what you want. If you create this for the first time, use this naming. It's okay. Next collection should be font. Hold on. Font size. Font size. For heading. And XXL. So next step, it's pretty easy, but you to create it like step by step. One more for the pair of this heading will be line height. Line height. Heading XXL. Okay. So you have font size heading, line height heading. Here we use, for example, 56, and here 56, because it's like 100%. And you need to create these pairs for every heading and every body text. And after that, you will link it for your typography style. You name it like you want. Here we can use the button. It's your heading, your font family, heading. Yeah. So you can choose it. Your font weight, it's here. Apply variable. And here you can add font weight. One moment. Font weight bold. And here you can use your typography primitives heading and typography primitive line height. Okay, one more thing that I forgot you to tell is when you're creating all these variables, you need to do edit and choose right scope for your token. It should be font family. This for font weight. Here, font weight. Font size, same. Here you can choose font size and line height. I won't create all the variables that you need. I'm sure you can do it by yourself. Line height. Okay. So when you use all your variables here, you can easily create some text. Use here your typo, and just by updating your, let's choose some interesting font so you can easily watch the difference. One moment. Interesting. One moment. Like this. Oh, okay. One moment, play fair. Okay, okay. So update here. Ah, sorry, like this. So I change my font family for every heading in this size. So I hope this video will help you to better understand typography tokens, and you can create your next typography system for your next project. Thank you for watching. Subscribe on this channel. I will try to create more videos soon. See you.